Good morning friends, I am back again with one more video lecture on the topic exact differential equation. This topic is included in the syllabus of first year engineering and science undergraduate courses. Now what do you mean by exact differential equation? Now its definition: a differential equation of the form m of xy, this m is a function of xy, dx plus n of xy, again this n is a function of x and y, dy is equal to 0 is said to be exact if its left hand member is the exact differential of some function u of xy, that is, this m dx plus n dy is equal to du, that means total differential of u, exact differential of u. Now this m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 and therefore du is equal to 0. Now integrating this, the u of xy is equal to c. This is the solution of the exact differential equation. Its solution is u of xy is equal to c. For example, if y dx plus x dy is equal to 0, this is the given differential equation, then there exists a function u of xy is equal to x times y such that this left hand side y dx plus x dy is equal to differential of xy, and therefore its solution is u equal to c. So here this xy is equal to c. Now by definition of total differential, this du is equal to del u del x dx plus del u del y dy. Now necessary and sufficient condition for the exact differential equation. Now theorem: the necessary and sufficient condition for the differential equation m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 to be exact is del m del y is equal to del n del x. Now its proof. Now first be the necessary condition. Now for necessary condition, this m dx plus n dy be the exact differential equation. In here we prove that this del m del y is equal to del n del x. Now let this m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 is exact differential equation, and to prove that this del m del y is equal to del n del x. Now if this m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is exact differential equation, then this left hand side m dx plus n dy is equal to total differential of some function u, where this u is some function of x and y. But according to total differential, this du is equal to del u by del x dx plus del u by del y dy, and therefore this m dx plus n dy is equal to du, and du is equal to this. Therefore answer is del u by del x dx plus del u by del y times dy. Now equating the coefficient of dx and dy, this m is equal to del u del x, and equating the coefficient of dy, this n is equal to del u del y. Now differentiating this m with respect to y, keeping x constant, we obtain del m del y is equal to del 2u by del y del x, and differentiating this n with respect to x, keeping y constant, we get del n del x is equal to del 2u by del x del y. But these mixed partial derivatives are equal. Del 2u by del y del x is equal to del 2u by del x del y. Therefore, this is the del m del y here, and this is the del n del x, which is the necessary condition for exactness. For sufficient condition, we assume that del m del y is equal to del n del x, and show that the equation m dx plus m dy is equal to 0 is exact. That means we find a function u of xy such that this m dx plus n dy is equal to differential of u. Now let g of xy is equal to integration m dx, means be the partial integral of m. Therefore, del g by del x is equal to del by del x integration m dx. Therefore, del g by del x is equal to derivative of this integral, answer is m, that is m is equal to del g by del x. Now differentiating this with respect to y. So therefore, this del m by del y is equal to del 2g by del y del x. Now here del m del y is equal to del n del x. This is the given part for sufficient condition. So therefore, del n del x is equal to del 2g by del y del x. Again del 2g by del y del x means del 2g by del x del y, that is del by del x n is equal to del by del x del g by del y. Now integrating with respect to x, treating y as constant. So therefore, integration of this answer is n, and integration of this answer is del g by del y plus constant of integration. Now this integration with respect to x, treating y as constant, therefore constant of integration we write in the form of y. So we denote it by f of y. We denote this equation by this capital 1, where this f of y is a function of y alone. This m dx plus n dy, now m is, here m is del g by del x plus n. Now n from equation 1, del g by del y plus f of y dy. Now this is equal to del g by del x dx plus del g by del y dy plus this f of y dy. Now by using the total differential, this answer be the dg. plus f of y dy. And this is equal to d g plus f of y integration f of y dy. So therefore this m dx plus n dy is equal to du, where u is equal to this function g plus integration this f of y dy. Number 2. And therefore this m dx plus n dy is equal to du. Therefore this m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 is exact. Hence theorem is proved. Now some remark regarding solution of exact differential equation. Now since this m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, so therefore this m dx plus n dy is exact differential equation, then this is equal to du and this is equal to 0, and that is this du is equal to 0. Now integrating this u of xy is equal to c. This is the solution. From equation 2, this u of xy be the g means g of xy plus integration this f of y dy is equal to c. But the g of xy means integration m dx keeping y constant, and f of y. So from equation 1, this f of y is equal to n minus del g by del y. Now we notice that this is the function of y alone. Therefore this n minus del g by del y means this is the terms of n not containing x, and hence the solution of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 is integration m dx keeping y constant plus integration terms of n not containing x dy is equal to c. Hope all of you have understood this theorem regarding exact differential equation. In the upcoming lecture, we will solve some problems based on the exact differential equation. Please subscribe the channel and let me know your comments and feedback. Thank you.